Hello students, how are you? Fit and fine? Yes? Okay. So ready to learn? So we was studying the first lesson, that is linear equations in two variables. Now in this lesson we have completed exercise or practice set 1.1 and 1.2. Now today we are going to study very interesting and easy method for solving the linear equations in two variables, and that method is called as determinants method or Cramer's rule. So third method for solving the simultaneous equations, that is determinants method, or that is also called as Cramer's rule. Means this method is derived by Cramer, the mathematician Cramer, so that it is called as Cramer's rule. Determinants method or Cramer's rule. Now this concept is new for you. So see, first of all, what is determinant? तो determinant क्या होता है पहले ये ध्यान में ले लो. Suppose you are having four numbers A, B, C, D. These are four real numbers A, B, C, D. Now when you will write these four numbers in between these two vertical lines like this, A, B, C, D, means what I am saying, if you write these four numbers in between these two vertical lines in rows and columns, so these are called as rows and these are called as columns, means two rows and two columns, then this writing or this representation is called as determinant. तो ये चार नंबर अगर ऐसे लिखे तो इसको क्या कहते हैं, डिटर्मिनेंट. दिस वन इज वन ऑफ द डिटर्मिनेंट. गॉट इट? व्हाट इज डिटर्मिनेंट? तो A, B, C, D, these four numbers you will write in rows and columns, so at that time this representation is called as determinant. After that, once you got the determinant, for example देखो 2, 3, -5, 7, these are the four numbers. Okay, so we have written these numbers in rows and columns, so this one is one of the determinant. So first question for 1 mark, here they will ask to find the value of this determinant. So how to find the value of this determinant? So for that you will cross multiply, but first cross multiplication will be this one. हमेशा A से स्टार्ट होना चाहिए, पहले नंबर से मल्टीप्लिकेशन स्टार्ट करो. तो क्या करने का, A into D, A into D, this will be the first product, minus B into C, this will be the second product, and this answer is nothing but it is called as value of that determinant. वैल्यू कैसा फाइंड आउट करोगे, तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करके 2 into 7, 2 into 7, बीच में कौन सा साइन रहेगा, माइनस, सेकेंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन 3 into -5. ओके, so find this answer. 2 7s are 14 minus in bracket 3 5s are 15, but here it is -5, means you will get -15, that is equal to 14. 2 times minus sign means that will become plus 15. So what you will get, 14 plus 15, that is equal to 29, means value of this determinant is 29. Okay, value of this determinant is 29. So in this way, by cross multiplication and subtraction you will get the value of that determinant. So simple. 1 मार्क के लिए या 2 मार्क के लिए इजीली ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है बोर्ड एग्जाम में. डिटर्मिनेंट्स मेथड और क्रैमर्स रूल श्योर शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन है. श्योर शॉर्ट मीन्स क्या, 101% देयर विल बी क्वेश्चन ऑन डिटर्मिनेंट्स मेथड. तो ये मेथड एकदम अच्छी तरह से प्रिपेयर करने का है एंड वेरी इजी एंड इंटरेस्टिंग. सबसे इजी मेथड ये लेसन में डिटर्मिनेंट्स मेथड और क्रैमर्स रूल रहेगा. तो once you got how to find the value of this determinant, then we'll go for practice set 1.3. Practice set 1.3 in that first question. Question number 1. So see what is the first question. In practice set, you have to find the value of the given determinants. Mean determinants are given to you. You have to find the value of that determinant. Fill in the blank with correct number. Fill in the blank with correct number. So say one determinant is given to you. Determinant is given 3, 2, 4, 5. 3, 2, 4, 5, and you have to fill the boxes. So 3 into which number? That is minus, here again box into 4. तो देखो अभी तुम्हें आंसर जो है वो लिखने का है, दैट इज इक्वल टू व्हाट यू विल गेट. पहला मल्टीप्लिकेशन कौन सा रहेगा? 3 into 5. यही पहला प्रोडक्ट होना चाहिए. 3 into 5 minus second product will be 2 into 4. 2 into 4, that is equal to 3 5 again here it is box. 3 5 कितना होता है? 15 minus 2 4 कितना होता है? 8. Already they have given, and that is equal to 15 minus 8, that is nothing but 7. Mean this will be your final answer. So in this way एक मार्क के लिए 1 2 3 4 boxes that you have to write for 1 mark. खाली you must know मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने का और बीच में साइन कौन सा होना चाहिए? माइनस. तो दिस विल बी द वैल्यू ऑफ दैट डिटर्मिनेंट. गॉट इट? आफ्टर दैट we will go for second question. Find the value of following determinant. Find the value of following determinant. So determinant will given to you, you have to find its value. Okay, so see the second question. Question number 2. Now given determinant is -1724. -1724 and you have to find the value of this determinant. अभी बोलो मुझे which will be the first multiplication? Yes, -1 into 4. तो -1 into 4, ये पहला प्रोडक्ट चाहिए तो ब्रैकेट डालो इसको. माइनस विच विल बी द सेकेंड प्रोडक्ट? 7 into 2. 7 into 2 that is equal to -1 into 4 -4 minus here 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14 means what you will get here? -4 minus 14, that is equal to -4 minus 14. How much it is? -18. Both the numbers are negative. You add the numbers, give the negative sign. So -18, that is the value of that determinant. It will be your first sum. Same way, see the second one. 5 3 5 3 minus 7 0. So find the value of this determinant. Again, first multiplication will be 5 into 0. 5 into 0 minus second multiplication will be 3 into -7, that is equal to 5 into 0. कौन से भी नंबर को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो आंसर क्या आएगा? 0 ही रहेगा. 5 into 0 that is equal to 0 minus 7 3s are 21, but here sign is negative, so here also negative, that is equal to 0 minus that will be plus 21. 0 plus 21, that is equal to 21. Means this one is the value of second determinant. Very simple, very easy. All of you got it? Is there any doubt? Okay. तो कौन से भी डिटर्मिनेंट का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करने के लिए 1 मार्क के लिए ऐसा क्वेश्चन तुम्हें पूछा जा सकता है. नाउ द थर्ड डिटर्मिनेंट, अभी ये थर्ड डिटर्मिनेंट अगर पूछा तो 2 मार्क्स के लिए क्वेश्चन तुम्हें पूछा जा सकता है. सी द थर्ड डिटर्मिनेंट, 7/3, 5/3, 3/2 and 1/2 means all these numbers that are rational numbers which are written in the form of m/n और p/q. तो फ्रैक्शंस दिए हैं, तो इसका भी तुम्हें सेम मेथड जाने का है. क्या करते हैं अपन? क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन, और बीच में कौन सा साइन है? माइनस साइन. सो सिंपल. तो पहला मल्टीप्लिकेशन देखो कौन सा होगा यहाँ. पहला मल्टीप्लिकेशन 7/3 इंटू 1/2, 7/3 इंटू 1/2, बीच में कौन सा साइन? माइनस. सेकेंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन विल बी 5/3 into 3/2. This will be the second multiplication. Okay, so that is equal to, now you must know the basic rules for multiplication. Multiplication में numerator at numerator, denominator at denominator multiply करो. Okay, numerator at numerator, numerator को numerator से, denominator को denominator से multiply करने का. तो 7 1 जा 7/3 2 जा 6 minus 5 3 जा 15/3 2 जा 6. Now if you observe here, you have to subtract these fractions. बच्चे 10th में आते हैं तो भी ये subtraction नहीं आता है. देखो, तो subtraction के लिए ध्यान में रखने का, denominator must equal. तो already these denominators are equal. Simply you subtract the numerator. So what will you get? 7 minus 15 upon, write the common denominator, 6. So 7 minus 15, how much it is? 7 minus 15, yes, minus 8. Minus 8 upon 6. And if you reduce this minus 8 upon 6, 2 4 जा 8, 2 3 जा 6, तो what you will get? minus 4/3 means value of this determinant is minus 4/3. तो देखो ऐसा सम आया 1 मार्क के लिए, लेकिन ये डिटर्मिनेंट दिया तो ये 2 मार्क्स के लिए तुम्हें पूछा जा सकता है. All of you got it? How to find the value of the determinant? Is there any doubt? Once again, see, very simple. First multiplication will be a into d. पहला नंबर से स्टार्ट करो, पहला नंबर लास्ट का, मीन्स क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने का है और बीच में माइनस साइन. तो ये सॉल्व किया, तुम्हें वैल्यू ऑफ डिटर्मिनेंट मिल जाएगा. अंडरस्टूड? ओके. नाउ एक्चुअली वंस यू गॉट व्हाट इज डिटर्मिनेंट एंड हाउ टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ दैट डिटर्मिनेंट, सो फॉर आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू solve the simultaneous equations by this determinants method or Cramer's rule. So how to solve these equations by this method, that we will study. So always, so see, you must have to write the equation in this form. So see, determinants method or Cramer's rule, how to write the equations. So you write the equation in this form: a1x plus b1y equals to c1. Second equation you will write it as a2x plus b2y equals to c2. a1x plus b1y equals to c1. a2x plus b2y equals to c2 means क्या? Always you write the equation